Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Toy Sheree, and today I am coming to you guys with a video, a really awesome, amazing video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a workout on the trampoline right there, alright? So I recently just got this trampoline from Amazon. I absolutely love it. Been doing a few things in my garage on it. Decided to come outside because it's so nice and hot, and I'm going to show you guys a quick 15-minute workout video that you can do if you're interested in purchasing this trampoline that I have. I'm going to put all the link and all that stuff down below so you can go ahead and get it. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right on into it. All right guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this trampoline workout. As you can see on the screen here, you're going to have 6 different moves that you're going to be doing throughout this entire workout, and you're going to do it for 3 rounds. All right, so you have 30-second jump squats, 30-second jump rope, 30-second high knee, and you also have 15-second knee repeaters on the right side and 15-second knee repeaters on the left side, 30-second jack crossovers, and 30-second jack shuffles. Go ahead and warm your body up before you get started. I highly recommend, if you have bad knees, this is not the workout for you, honey, okay? This is not the workout for you. Let me know if there's some type of videos that you guys like to see that do not actually have any type of jumping in. That is something that I can definitely do upon request, all right? So go ahead and do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we're going to go ahead and jump right on into this thing. Alrighty, let's get into it. All right, guys. So for the first move, we're going to be doing some jump squats, baby. Yes. So this is a burn like no other. Like, seriously, it feels like hell. I'm not going to even lie. Like, 30 seconds is an extremely long time to be doing this on a freaking trampoline. Your legs will feel like straight noodles halfway there. But do not worry, because we have a 10-second break between every move in this workout, with a 1-minute rest between every round, which is going to be very helpful for you guys. And here's that 10-second break. All right, so now we're going to hit a little jump roping, but only this time, guys, you're going to be jump roping on a trampoline, okay? Now, this trampoline is from Amazon. Y'all know how much I love Amazon. It's very sturdy and it's affordable. Be sure to click the link below to get some more information on this trampoline that I'm using in this video. It did come with the railing that I didn't use because when it was delivered to me, it was damaged, which I've never had that happen to me with Amazon, but there is a replacement on the way, so it is a-okay, all right? It's cool. And then we're going to have our another 10-second break. All right, so next move we're going to do is some high knee claps. So you're going to bring that knee all the way up. Now, I love this because, for one, now it's a killer move for them abs, honey. And the jumping force adds the power to help target every muscle in your body, which is why jumping is definitely one of my most favorite cardio moves to do. So you're just going to bring that knee all the way and clap. All right, so take your time and go ahead and get that 10-second break. Release it. Because it's almost over. Well, it is over. All right, now for this move, you're going to do a repeater crunch. Now, this is that belly blaster that will eliminate that fat like no other. The driving force of the trampoline really allows you to hit it all. So focus on making sure that elbow hits that knee. And you're going to do this on your right and your left hand side for 15 seconds. All right, now, so we're going to switch it up with some double shuffles. All you're doing here is switching your leg forward and backwards as you pulse each leg for 2. Then you're going to switch it back and forth, just switching it just like that. Simple and easy. And you're going to do that for 30 seconds. All right, and here's that 10-second rest time. But don't worry, guys, we have a minute rest coming up before you jump into the next round. All right, now, so moving into our jack crossovers, this is a really simple move. Try not to complicate it at all. One, make sure that you're really holding that tummy in and always engaging your core when you're doing all of these moves that I'm showing you. And we're going to basically form a crisscross with our legs, and we're going to continue to do this for 30 seconds. All right, guys, so now it is that time for you to go ahead and rest. So we have a minute right now for you to rest. I want you to catch your breath. I want you to grab some water, wipe the sweat off your face. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let me know how you're feeling, if you like videos like this, because if so, I'll definitely continue to make more videos like this. You guys know that cardio is something that I love to do, especially when it comes to jumping. You will never catch me running ever, but you will always catch me doing some form of cardio and jumping and hit and all that type of stuff. So yeah, guys, we have a little more time left on the clock before we go ahead and jump back in for the second round. And you're going to do everything that we just did again, all right? And then after that, you're going to also have another 1 minute rest, all right? So go ahead and jump right back on that trampoline, because we're about to jump right back on into it, okay? Okay. All right, guys, so now we are back into that 1 minute rest time. So how are you feeling? Like, seriously, like, how do you feel? Like, when I did this, I was just dripping with sweat. I did it in the sun, which made it probably made me even more sweaty. But guys, definitely take your time to catch your breath. And at any time that you're doing this workout, do not feel like you have to do it the complete way through. You have control over your phone or your device that you're watching this on. You can always press pause, catch your breath. You have that luxury and that controllability to do that. All right, so go ahead and do that. If you feel like you're tired, stop this at any time so you can catch your breath and jump right back on into it. All right, the only way you're going to be cheating yourself is if you actually don't do the workout and don't do it all the way through. So you owe that to yourself to complete it and to finish it. All right, so we're going to go ahead and jump into round 3, and this is your last round. All right, so 30 seconds again. So we're doing those same jump squats, guys. Jumping as high as you can for 30 seconds. You can do this. You really want to make sure you try to focus on doing this too, because this can be very tricky. You don't want to fall off the trampoline. So do not try to rush it. It's not a competition. Take your time and get them squats in, all right? Perfect. Now we're going to our 10-second rest time. Rest it on out. Breathe in, breathe out, because we're back at it. All right, so let's go ahead and do those jumping jump ropes, okay? And you're going to go ahead and do this for another 30 seconds. After this, you only have a couple of more moves left, and then you are done for the day, okay? And definitely check out this trampoline that I'm using below, guys. I love using it at the park. I was kind of worried about using it in my garage, but it works out as great. It works out great on grass too. It's an awesome product. Definitely give it a try. You will not regret it. And I always think it's something good to have like this, especially during times like these where the gym is just not the hot place